Hello guys, today I've got the MOTOROLA Edge 7E Fusion and I'm going to show you how to enable the developer settings and USB debugging. At first, you need to open the settings in your device. Now scroll down till you see here About Phone section. Now here tap Device Identifiers and tap Build Number until you see here you are now a developer. You may be prompted to enter your PIN, enter your pattern or password. Here you are now a developer. So once we have it done, we need to go back and here we need to go to the system over here. Here tap developer options and now we need to find the option USB debugging. Here scroll down, debugging, USB debugging, tap it. Okay, now it's enabled. Tap disabled. Goodbye.